Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really cute webbed elastic style. So first of all, I did a parting from above her left ear diagonally across to the right side of her neck. I tied up the hair into a high ponytail to keep it out of the way, and then I sprayed this section of hair with water to keep all the flyaways in place. So combed that water through, make sure there's an even spread of it all, parted it in half, and then parted that section in half again. So I end up with 4 little sections. I'm going to use small little elastics. I use cotton covered elastics just because they're a bit kinder to the hair, and also I've not managed to find any orange ones. So yeah, just going to use these cotton elastics. And I'm just combing each section through before I add the elastic, just to get rid of any lumps and bumps, make it look a lot neater. So I'm going to do that 4 times. Part that piece of hair in half again, try and make them equal. Comb it through, get that little elastic. And the last one. When I'm putting these elastics on, I'm trying to lay them neatly around the hair so that they're not all tied on top of each other, but so they go round flat on that little ponytail, so it doesn't look so pokey out when it's finished. So the second from left in, I'm going to part that one in half and then tie that to the ponytail on the far left side. And then I'm going to part the ponytail second in from the right and then join those 2 sections together. Pulling that little bit down just to make sure it's level with the other one, and then taking that right piece and just tying it off with the other half of that ponytail. So I've gone from 4 little ponytails, now I'm down to 3 ponytails. So the next thing I'm going to do is part that middle ponytail and attach it to the ponytail on the left, trying to keep the spacings equal so that as you're going up this triangle, each little ponytail is about 1 inch before the next bobble's on. And then take those 2 and put them together. And then once this one is done, I'm going to take the 2 ponytails that I've made and tie them together into one. The ponytail I did start with was just a quick one, just to keep it out of the way. So I'm just combing it all through, getting all the lumps and bumps out. And then I'm going to pull up this webbed elastic triangle, combine it with the ponytail that I got in my hand, and then join it together with one big elastic and finish it off with a little bow clip. So I really like this style because my little girl loves having a high-sided ponytail, but all those little wispy bits around the edge, they end up falling out and don't look brilliant. But because it's got all those little elastics holding the hair in place, it stays neat all day long, so it keeps it looking really pretty all day. So I hope you like it. If you have a go, please tag me in your social media with Two Little Girls Hairstyles. I'd love to see your recreations, and check out some of my other tutorials. Some links are coming up soon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, then you can see the next video coming soon. Thanks then guys, bye.